Yes. You said me no. I'll be your friend. I said no. What did you say? I said no. No. I don't want to be friends. Because I want to be more friends. Because I'm popular. Oh my God, hindi akong screen. Sino yan ang screen? I don't know, principal. Bawal screen dito. You wanna fight? No. Go to the office now. Nakatawag mo na tayo. Tawag mo na tayo, principal. Okay. So, what's he talking? What talking? I want my food back because I'm popular. Now, di pa bawal mo screen. Okay, open your mouth. Now, open my mouth. Okay, squeeze, close. Oh my God. What are you doing? Oh my God. Oh my God. So guys, we are firing the class. No. I said no. You said it. I said it. So now go eat. No. Water it. I said no. I'll beat you up. I'll beat you up. I get your ass. So
I get your ass.
I follow your ass. So get watering the plants. I follow your ass or right now, Mr. I'm a principal. Principal. What's that? She said a bad word. Dad. No, I not said a bad word. He said sabi niya sa'yo, i-beat niya yung ass mo. What do you say? No! Achoo! Achoo! Haha, loser! No. See you. Open your dumpster. Don't spit out it. No. Pwede ka man mo to. Blah, blah. No. No, peacock. Get in that. I said no, masabi lang kami. So guys, she Where's it? Not me. Oh. Hey, I'm not going. Shut up. You said my son shut up. Yeah, he's a dummy. Dad, he's not dummy. You're beautiful. Dito nalagay ko so may ass. You wanna beat my ass? No, that's no more. I said no more. I told someone I said no. It's gonna beat your ass. Alam mo na naman I will beat your ass. Dala with your ass. I will see 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 if you for me to say. I said no. I don't know. I said no really low. I'm really cool. Your best friend, Jenica. That's my girlfriend. Oh, your girlfriend. That's no you. Dad. Yeah. My friend has a girlfriend. Seriously? Yeah. I-invite niya sa birthday. Sa birthday ko. No, I don't. I said, no. Open your mouth, children. So, we are, maalis na ako. Okay, so guys, we are going. Sorry, bestie. I forgive myself. Let's keep that trust away. Ganyan. Dito sa trust natin, yung chewing gum ko dito. Dito. Ano ba yun?